Once upon a time, there was a monk who decided to gather his few belongings and go on a trip to visit his old master, who was very old indeed. After various days of travel through forests and fields, without having come upon any village nor dwelling, his provisions were at an end. When he finally saw a small ramshackle hut in the distance, and since there was a cow on the meadow in front of it, he imagined that it must be inhabited and decided to ask for some food and shelter for the night. He was greeted by a haggard farmer and his wife, who happily invited him inside their hut and shared some milk, cheese, and stale bread with him. Glad nonetheless to have had a meal, the monk thanked the friendly couple and asked them how they fared in life. "We have this old cow you saw outside, and she gives us milk. We can make some cheese of it and trade it with some bread, so we can survive," the farmer told him. In the meantime, his wife had prepared the bed for him, and soon they all went to sleep. The next morning, while they were having milk, cheese, and stale bread again for breakfast, the monk spoke. "I was thinking the whole night what I could do for you to thank you for your hospitality. And I came up with this conclusion, and this is my advice. You should kill the cow as soon as possible." And with that said, he thanked the baffled farmer and his wife, again wished them farewell, and went on his way. The two of them looked at each other in shock. This was the last advice they would have expected. But since they held monks in great regard, they reluctantly did as he had advised them to do, and slayed the cow. 1 year passed, and the same monk was on his way back from visiting his master, when he decided to check on the friendly couple who had given him food and shelter the year before. As he came to the spot where the crumbling hut had been, instead he saw a small but very pretty farm with a few cows and 2 pigs and even some chickens running around between them on the meadow. Also, a small barn had been built. When the monk approached to greet the farmer immediately recognized him and called his wife to set the table for them. They were both very excited, and while they were consuming a simple but excellent meal, the farmer told him, "Indeed, you gave us the best advice. After we slayed and butchered the cow, I decided to go to the market to sell the meat. We wouldn't keep it for ourselves. And there I met new people and new occasions, which helped us to improve our existence and to strive a bit more every day. The poor old cow with her milk allowed us to survive somehow. I never thought that I am capable of all this. But now we are finally living for real," said the farmer. You see, in life, often we cling upon something or someone for dear life, and we feel anxious to let go of it. Humans are creatures of comfort. Our comfort zone is our natural, neutral state, a place where stress and anxiety are minimal, where we know what's coming next and can plan accordingly. There's nothing wrong with being in your comfort zone, unless you get too comfortable and start holding yourself back, instead of challenging yourself to learn, grow, and try new things. Being slightly uncomfortable, whether or not by choice, can push us to achieve goals we never thought we could. Let go of that thing or that idea that holds you back. Step out of that comfort zone and start living.